Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to unfollow people on your Facebook application. So what this does is it actually limits people's posts on your timeline. Whatever they're posting, you won't get to see it, or you won't get to follow their activities on your Facebook application or on your Facebook timeline. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on this area, go to your Facebook, and then before we dive into doing that, I'm going to show you guys something. Let's scroll down a little, and then try to observe the name of this person, and if possible try to observe his post. So this person have made a post. He's a friend of mine. So now I'm going to use the account as an example. I'm going to unfollow that account so that I'll stop seeing less of his posts. So all I need to do is to scroll up on the top right hand corner, go ahead and click on this option, menu option, and then next you need to scroll down to settings area. Once you scroll down, go ahead and click on settings and privacy, and then the next thing you need to do is to select this option right here which says your time on Facebook. Now go ahead and click on that. Now the next thing you need to do is to scroll down and then select on the option which says your newsfeed preferences, and then go ahead and click on that. Now the next thing you need to select is the ones that says unfollow people to hide their post. Go ahead and click on it, and then once you've done that, this is the area which we do the magic. And then if you notice on the top it says unfollow people to hide their post. Tap to choose whose post you want to stop seeing in your Facebook in your news feeds. Okay, now you are the only one who knows who you unfollow. It doesn't mean your friends doesn't know you've unfollowed them. So for some reason they might ask you if you aren't liking their post or commenting, but that is up to you anyway. So now I'm going to unfollow this person. If you remember, that's the same account I showed you earlier, James Dane Rivali. And then I'm going to go ahead and unfollow some people too. So don't worry about it. Even though you unfollow somebody by mistake, you can always come back and follow them. So, and mind you, you can also do this for some group you belong to. So I just selected some other groups. So once you've done selecting, that's that for you. Just go ahead and back out and then go to your news feeds area on your Facebook to confirm if this actually works or if it's a mistake. Now you can notice the post is still showing. The reason why it's still showing is because we haven't refreshed our page. Now go ahead and drag it to the bottom so that it's going to refresh the page while you wait. So after it's refreshed, you just go ahead and scroll down to see if you're still seeing posts from Jane Derivari. You can notice there is no post from him. You can see that now. So this means we actually unfollow this person, and that is all for this tutorial. So whenever you do this, I am 100% that it works perfectly well. But if you have any challenges, please leave your comment below. And then if you like this video and you enjoyed it and you have some friend who would also be interested in it, please do share the video. And then don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Okay, see you guys some other time.